Evening students, today's session in environmental sciences subject we shall be able to talk about the important topic called wildlife sanctuaries, national parks or conservation reserves. This is one of the important topic as far as tourism and the environmental aspect and connectivity of tourism to the wildlife, national parks and other reserves. And this topic will be covered through the sequential audio session, and this will be covered by the display of the different wildlife sanctuaries, national parks in between. So kindly enjoy this session and do watch every time the videos and learn for your knowledge. So wish you good luck. See you with next. Good evening students. Today's class we shall be able to talk about environmental sciences, and into this particular session we shall be able to talk about the national parks, we shall be able to talk about wildlife sanctuaries, conservation reserves and wildlife protected areas and projects, and few state-wise national parks of India we shall be able to talk about. And this particular subject we are going to cover the introduction of these basic topics. So let us proceed with, as far as the national parks or wildlife sanctuary or the conservation reserves are concerned, in India the protected areas are basically comes under the establishment by the International Union of Conservation of Nature's guidelines under UN, and there are mainly 4 types of protected areas which were regulated by the country India under the UN Charter. The IUCN had established the major 4 areas which may be called as protected areas. Students, first we need to talk about what all are the protected areas. Protected areas are those landscapes where the protection for the natural resources, protection for wildlife, protection for wild animal, protection for water, resource, soil and other important environmental elements needs to be ensured by the state. State will ensure every possibility of not degrading, diluting or disturbing the natural habitat which is existing. So let us talk about these main 4 types of protected areas, which are number 1 national park, number 2 wildlife sanctuaries and conservation reserves. As far as or community reserves, as far as national parks are concerned, national parks are the territory which have been classified by IUCN, United Nations International Union for Conservation of Nature's association or organization under category 2. This may be defined as any area notified by state government to be constituted a national park, which is mainly a wild or animal related areas where the human disturbance is nowhere there. There are 104 national parks in India at that time. First national park in India was Jim Corbett National Park, previously known as Heli National Park. No human activity or right allowed except the ones permitted by the chief wild warden of the state. These are certain legislation which needs to be abided by the state government under the different laws related to wildlife and protection of and conservation of wild and nature. It covers 1.23% of geographical areas in India approximately. As far as wildlife sanctuaries are concerned, wildlife sanctuaries are also classified under the category 2 by IUCN. This may be called up as any area or any area notified by the state government to be constituted as a wildlife sanctuary, which is mainly for the richness of the wild animals. Those are the habitat of that particular area. Certain rights are available to people, example grazing, etc., but these are to an extent. There are 543 wildlife sanctuaries in India are available, and it almost covers 3.62% geographical area of India in approximation. Whenever we talk about the conservation reserves are the categories added in Wildlife Protection Amendment Act, followed by the Wildlife Protection Act in the earlier time. This amended act was enforced in the year of 2002. There are certain areas or there are certain zones which may be called as buffer zone, which are established, followed by the territory of national park, wildlife sanctuaries, or any reserve land or protected forest by the Union of India under the different states and union territories. These buffer zones are those areas where the minimal encroachment or minimal disturbance by the mankind is solicited. As far as communities are concerned, community reserves are those areas, this is basically for the main, which is related to the wildlife area. There are many people or species, especially the main tribal areas, tribal people are living over there. So community reserves are under the categories which added in Wildlife Protection Amended Act, which was the then amendment of the Wildlife Protection Act of 2002, Forest by Government of India. It covers around 0.002% geographical area of India approximately. Now let us talk about act related to wildlife. Wildlife Protection Act is, or the act related to wildlife are mainly the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Students, Wildlife Protection Act states about the sovereignty of the wildlife species, animals, flora, fauna, habitat, and ecological and anthropological prospect of the ancient past. The wildlife are Wildlife Protection Act in India allows the state or union territory to protect the entire wildlife and that area which has been covered or utilized by the habitat of different kinds of species. It is applicable to whole India nowadays. Till the time Jammu and Kashmir was a separate previous state before 5th August 2019 was not comes under the Wildlife Protection Act, but nowadays this act is magnified to the state J&K along with the other neighboring states. Wildlife protection is one of the important cause by which the hunting, the misuse of the wild animals and their selling for the different purposes is prohibited under the act. As far as the indigenous culture of the wild area, the institutions are supposed to secure or preserve that particular area. Project related to wildlife areas or wildlife are number one, which is one of the most important project in terms of wildlife protection. It is Project Tiger, which came in the year 1973. Students, as far as wildlife is concerned, the most endangered species or animal being is the tiger. Therefore, the national animal being identified under a threat, so the different agencies or the organizations under the Forest Department and Wildlife Conservation had started talking about Project Tiger. It is an international regime, though India is also capitalizing high on this. And For the outcome of this particular project Tiger 1973, the beautiful results are coming into the existence, and we are thankful to Project Tiger Reserve or Project Tiger as a project related to wildlife. The outcome, the output is really remarkable, and then it is helping to the generalizing the more population of the wildlife, mainly to the tigers. Then in the year 1975, it was Operation Crocodile, which was the main feature related to the upgradation or security of the life of the crocodile. Project Rhinoceros comes into existence in 1987. Also Project Elephant in 1988, followed by Project 2009. So these are certain projects which are related to wildlife, and these are very useful and fruitful as far as the conservation of wild animals. One among the most popular act called Wildlife Conservation Act is one of the beautiful example for the conservation of such places. As far as tourism opportunities in terms of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, reserves are concerned, they provide an opportunity to the international community to look up the environmental periphery, but it needs to be very sustainable. Otherwise, the fragile environment may be at loss. As far as wildlife and impact of tourism is concerned, we have discussed certain matters related to environmental impact of tourism. Wildlife is also an area where the environment needs to be taken care, and it's an outcome of environment by the help of the environmental protection. National parks are numerous in nature, and they have got their own branding in terms of specific tourism areas known for different biological zones or buffer zones, followed by the wildlife sanctuaries in terms of India and the other conservation reserves and community reserves. Let us quickly talk about the states and their national parks. Mainly those are existing in India, though within the classes to discuss entire wildlife sanctuaries and national park would be a little practically difficult, so we will have a glimpse and then talk. According to your syllabus also, it is a very thin proportion or the identical understanding of this particular wildlife sanctuary you must be aware of. So let us start with the starting with the state Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh have got national park, Papi Konda National Park, one among the famous. Then the Sri Venkateshwara National Park. Let us talk about Arunachal Pradesh, Moling National Park and Namdapara National Park. These are the two important ones, and Namdapara is one of the important national park. I shall be able to let you know those are the very important national parks or wildlife sanctuaries. Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park are one of the two important national parks of Assam, and apart from those national parks, there are few more like Dibru Swakhana National Park, Nameri National Park and Oran National Park. As far as Kaziranga National Park, you know that it is very famous for the rhino, and the Manas National Parks are very, very important and known for the other wildlife animals. Those are species endangered also. Bihar have got Valmiki National Park, which is famous. Chhattisgarh have got Indravati National Park, Kangar Valley National Park, Guru Ghasidas or Sanjay National Park. Goa we have got Molam National Park. Gujarat we have got Gir Forest National Park, which is the branded national park for the lions. Buck National Park, known for the bucks itself in Gujarat. Marine National Park, known for the crocodiles and other and tortoise for their conservation. Gulf of Kutch, Vansa National Park, known for other species, mainly the water species. In Haryana, we have got Kalesa National Park and Sultanpur National Park. Himachal Pradesh, we have few important national parks like Pin Valley National Park, Great Himalayan National Park. Great Himalayan National Park is an important national park of international reputation, where the different wildlife animals are being protected. In Jammu Kashmir or the changed states, Dachigram National Park, Hemis National Park are one of the important national parks. Dachigram is known for their tourism viability, and most of the international tourists are visiting these places for the sake of visiting different animals. In Jharkhand, we have got Betla National Park, Dandeli, Nagaur National Park. Karnataka, we have got Bandipur National Park, Bangaratha National Park, Kumbar National Park, etc. Kerala, we have Pambadum Shrola National Park, Ervi Kundam National Park, Silent Valley National Park, which is known as very important silent zone for the animal beings, plants and herbs also. Periyar National Park. Then we talk about the Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, we known for many national parks. Madhya Pradesh is the most dense forest area as far as states are concerned, and still we have a lot of potentialities in terms of the state. We have got Bandhavgarh National Park, Pench National Park, Kana National Park, known for lions and rhinos. Panna National Park, Madhav National Park in Misripuri Mandala, which is known for the rhinos and other animals. Sanjay National Park, Satpura, Van Bihar and Puno is the bird sanctuary. Then we have Maharashtra, we have Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Navegaon National Park and other are also having importance. In few other states, we have got Rajasthan, we have got Keladev National Park, Sariska National Park, Ranthambore. These are some certainly very important and well-known national parks for the tigers and for other important animals. As far as Northeast are concerned, there are many important national parks in Manipur, Kebul, Lagjao National Park, Siroi National Park, Meghalaya, Balpangkham National Park, Norak National Park. And as far as Sikkim and Mizoram are concerned, Kanchenjunga National Park is there in Sikkim, and Mizoram, Merlin National Park, Pagan Puri Blue National Park is always there. As far as Tamil Nadu and down south, Madumalai National Park, known for the elephants and other species, Mukrati National Park, Indira Gandhi Annamalai National Park, Gundai National Park, Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park, known for other important species. Telangana, known for Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park. In terms of Uttarakhand, we have got Jim Corbett, well known for the tiger or branded national park in terms of tourism. Gangotri National Park, Valley of Flower, this is known for more floral than that of the animal beings. Govind Pasu Vihar, Nanda Devi National Park, known for the other animals as important to the other national parks. Dudhwa National Park at Uttar Pradesh, one of the important one. West Bengal, we have got Sundarbans, which is near the delta of Sundarban, known for many animal beings. Jalpada National Park, Nehru Valley National Park, Singhalia National Park, etc. Now we are going to talk further in our further sessions. Today's session we have completed certain topics, which are the introduction of the wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, biosphere and certain